That is hot.
So you allowed
Hot. Look where I am. Woohoo! We're in Mallorca, so this is the first of a whole week of cycling in the beautiful, beautiful place of Mallorca, and it's just incredible. It's, oh my god. I mean, look at these mountains. Let me show you these mountains just again, just so you can see them. Look at that. They are some pretty mountains. We are off. How's the weather, Richard?
It's fantastic.
How amazing is it already?
We've got the high carb vegan triangle going on here.
Best way.
Hot out there, right?
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah, we did. Brownie?
What's better, the brownie or what's the best vegan cake?
So I think the best cake is, in my opinion, is the carrot cake. But if you want to, if you're going up the hill, the brownie is the one that's going to give you the best cake. I've not got my 2 cake shoes on. I've got one.
Here we are at our favourite little cafe in Mallorca. Sell vegan cake, vegan brownies. So we're just going to head up Sabatala, which is the first climb of our holiday of our trip. Just a cliff bar. I don't know if I've got food around my mouth, but it's hot, it's sweaty. It's just amazing. Just so nice already. So I'm just gonna, I think this is just what this video is going to be all about all week. I'm just going to be like, oh my god, it's just so nice. I want to share the scenery, share the routes, and if you are interested in any of the routes, have a look at my Strava. They're all going to be there, so you can, if you want to come and do them, then you can do it that way. But I just love it. It's just so green, and the sky is so blue, and the roads are so smooth. It's just paradise if you are a cyclist. So that is where we're going to be heading. You're in the video, Ben.
Crazy.
It's so pretty though, isn't it? So good. Just saying then, it's just amazing. It's just like a really nice steady climb. Beautiful weather. Oh, it's just amazing. Let me know what your favourite climb is in Mallorca if you've been. I think my favourite is Fermenta. It's the lighthouse. Just love it. Hiya. And now we're at the top. Well, the top of Sabatala. Enjoying the sunshine. I'm at the Fermenta lookout point. We're not actually going, well, I'm not going to go actually to the lighthouse. A few of the others are, but I want to rest up. We're doing Sacalabra tomorrow, so I'm just going to have a steady little bootle back to the hotel, I think. So that is today's ride really. I've done about 70k I think. We've still got a little bit down to go, so it's just amazing. It's so hot as well. I think I'm just trying to acclimatise to the heat, so. Today has been so nice. Weather is ideal, almost a little bit too hot. It takes me a couple of days to get used to the heat and stuff, but oh my god, so good. I've been to Mallorca first time in October, so I know how good it is, but even when I come back I'm just like, oh my god, this is just the best place for cycling. Everyone's just really nice, really friendly, and cars are really good, and the roads are nice and smooth. It's just a beautiful place to ride a bike. So yeah, today ended up being around 70k, 75k and about 1,000 meters climbing, and to be honest I felt quite tired. Like two of the group, because I'm with 6 other people, they carried on and did the whole of Cap de Fermenta, which is a lighthouse, and then the rest of us went back, and I was like, I can't today. I'm just feeling a little bit tired, and it is the first day, so I'm just going to ease into it gradually. But yeah, I just felt a little bit fatigued, I guess, and I think it's the heat. The heat takes it out of me. So next couple of days I'm gonna acclimatise, get used to it, and tomorrow we're gonna do Sacalabra. So that is, I almost feel like the descent is just way better than the climb, because the descent you just see like this just mass of road and just windiness and amazingness. And last year when we came, that was the first time I'd gone on it. It sounds probably a bit cheesy to say it, but as we cycled up to it and I saw it, I just started not crying, but my eyes swelled up. I was like, I'm just so grateful to be here and experiencing this. It's just amazing. It's just, if you've not done it, it is such an amazing place to visit, to climb. And you have to do quite a lot of climbing to even just get to the start of that climb, which I didn't realise when I came last year. So that will be fun. So early night for me. I think the last couple of nights I've not had a lot of sleep, so it's just taken it out of me a little bit. So early night for me. Go and grab some more food, and then up tomorrow for Sacalabra. So it'll probably be a little bit more exciting for you tomorrow to see different roads if you've not seen it already. And if you have seen it already, then I'm going to take you back to the time when you went to Sacalabra. I can't remember the name of it then. So yeah, it's one of those places you just always remember going to it. It's just a climb that you'll just remember for the rest of your life. It's just amazing. Ta-ra!